Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool inverter here, and pretty much what these are some flexible GoPro mount that you can use for a GoPro that has a suction cup option. So right here we do have two different brands. This one right here is from this brand, and this one from this one. So what I'll do is open both of them to show you guys what's included inside, and then we'll test it out. Let's start with small one. So let's do open up. Once you guys open up, here's what the inside looks like. If you guys do take it out, inside they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then inside we do have two bags. If you guys do take it out, the smaller bag provides you guys this accessory. Whereas for the big one, this is what's included inside. So I'm seeing on this side right here, we do have a suction cup option. And then here we do have the option for you guys to adjust it. So you do have the option to loosen it. So that way you can move it around to different angles if you guys do need to. Same thing for this side. If you guys want to move it around, which is really convenient. In bottom part right here, we do have the part for you guys to push it down when you guys use the suction option. So what you can do is bring it up, and we see how it does lift up. Once you guys push it down, you can see how it does go down. So it pretty much applies pressure to actually help you guys hold it even better when you guys do set it up, which I'll show you in a second. But the way how to design this one right here, it is adjustable, but it's not like a gooseneck design like the other one I do have. So here's what this one looks like. And that's everything included for this one. Now I'll show you the other one. So when you take out this one, there's two parts as well. This one right here, and we see they do give you guys a phone mount option for you guys to set it up when you guys do use it. That also has a hot shoe option, which is really nice. The back part right here, we do have a screw option, and here on the bottom as well. So once you guys clip your phone on here, you can start using it. And when you guys do feed the materials on here, it does have a padding, so that way it won't scratch your phone when you guys do use it, which is really nice. So really cool how this one gives you guys this option, so that way not only can you guys use it for GoPro, but you do have the option to use it for your phone. But here we do have the other part. So the bottom part right here, we do have a suction option. Right here, we do have the same switch for you guys to push it down, to apply pressure down, to hold it in place. And once you guys lift it up, it pops back out to be loose. Top part right here, we do have an accessory for you guys to use a phone mount if you guys want to. So something like this. Which is really nice. But if you guys want to take it out, you guys unscrew it. So that you can put on your GoPro on here if you guys want to, which is really nice. But the coolest thing about this product is for this part right here, they do have a gooseneck option, very similar to like the Gorilla Pod when you guys do get it. So you don't flex it. Feel free to just move it around. You do have the option to flex each different part on here, which is pretty nice. So that way you have to angle a certain position if you guys do want to. So I do like that gooseneck design a lot, you can see. And if you guys want to take this part out, you guys can unscrew it to take it out if you guys want to, which is really nice. And that is everything included for both products. If you guys can see, when you guys put both of them side by side, it's almost about the same height. But with this one right here, it's definitely a lot more flexible compared to this one. But when you guys do use this one, it can only go so far. That is probably the furthest it can go. Where for this one right here, if you guys want to bring it lower, it can go really low, or you can go the other way as well. So definitely a lot more flexible for you guys to move it further away, if you can see, which is really nice. So what I'm doing right now is to put my GoPro to show you guys what it looks like. So try this one here first. So right here, I do have my GoPro here 11. If you guys open the bottom, let's screw it on. Once you guys screw it on, here's what the product looks like. So you definitely do have the option to flex in different angles if you guys do want to. Like I mentioned, it won't go as low compared to this one. Now let's set it up on the other one to show you guys how that works. So for this one, what you guys want to do is open the bottom and clip this onto this one. Once you guys clip it on, you guys want to put it in like this. Once you guys put it on, here's what the looks like. So when you do put it side by side, here's what both of them looks like. So this one right here is the GoPro Hero 9, and this is GoPro Hero 11. But you see how it's compatible with different GoPro, which is really nice. And when you guys do feel both of them, it feels pretty lightweight for both of them. It's not that heavy, which is really nice. So what I'm doing right now is to set this up like on a mirror or something and show you guys how well it does work. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have like a mirror or like a glass option. So what I'm doing is stick it on and show you guys how well it does work. So start with this one right here first. So what I'm doing is peel out the bottom part here. And all you guys need to do is go like this and push it down. Once you guys push it down, you can see how it does stay on. And if you guys want to adjust it, feel free to adjust in different angles. So you do have the option to go like this, like that. But you guys cannot go all the way down and not all the way down that way as well. Not like the other one. So that is how you guys use this one. Now I'll show you the other one. So same thing for this one, you guys can peel out the bottom part. You guys want to push this part up. You guys want to install it. For this one, when you guys install it, you guys want to angle the way how you guys want to face yourself. So if you guys face like this, it'll be hard for you guys to move forward and backward. So instead, you guys want to go like this. and push it down. And see how it does set up pretty well. So with this one, it doesn't have like the flexible gooseneck option like this one. However, you do have the option to raise it up and raise it down. Just like that, if you guys want to. So I'm actually bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys what it actually looks like. So here is a close-up view of what the pot looks like once you guys do set it up. So this one is the gooseneck option. And this one right here is not gooseneck option. But you do have the option to move it this way, and that way, and forward, all the way down. Where for this one, you guys cannot do that, but you do have the option to angle a different position if you guys do want to. So that is the first you can go for that one. If you guys bring it up, that is the first you can go for this one. You guys can't go any more than that. So that is the difference between both of these when you guys do set it up. If you can see, both of them definitely does work, but there is a limit for this one compared to this one. And the way how you guys take it out is actually very easy. What you can do is pull it up. And for this one right here, they do have this part right here in the bottom for you to pull it out really easily. Same thing for the other one right here. If you guys bring it up, this one also has a black part right here on the side for you to pull it out. Just like that. But for this one actually has a stronger suction when you guys do pull it out. So it might be a little bit more struggle when you guys do take it out, which is not a bad thing. That just means the suction on here is much stronger compared to the other one. So that is how I do move it. Very easy and very simple. Welcome back, guys. So nice quick test of product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. You can see how when we do set up the suction cup option onto the mirror, it's definitely very strong. So whether if you guys want to set this up onto a mirror or some kind of screen, maybe like a television or something to record yourself when you guys are outdoor or even in your car, it definitely works really well. Obviously, since it is a suction option, if you guys leave it too long in sunlight, it might melt. So that is something to remember when you guys do use it. But we see how when we do set it up, it definitely does work. And it's very convenient for you guys to set it up if you guys want to do recording, maybe for a vlog or something when you guys are traveling. Wherever you guys can set up a suction option, which is really nice. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So when you do compare both of these, eventually both of them are actually pretty worth it. One of them works as a gooseneck option for you guys to adjust each different ball, but doesn't go as far as the other one that I show you guys. So depending on what you guys are planning to use it for and how you guys do use it, that is totally up to you guys. For me personally, after using both of them, I do feel like the other one that doesn't have the gooseneck option that allow you guys to bring it all the way up or bring it down. This one right here, I feel like it's much more worth it because it does give you guys the option to raise it up and raise it down, even though how it does not provide you guys full mount option. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.